You are here right now watching my video. Why are you watching my video? You clicked on this video because you wanted to learn how to survive online classes. Here in my hand right now is a notebook. It is the secrets to be a good student in online classes. So if you want to learn more about how the Carabao, how to survive online classes. Thank you. Oh my God, grabe. Ang galing ko mag-script. Woo! So what is up guys, it's Scarlette here, and in this video, as you may have read on the title, this video is going to teach you how to survive online classes. And this is actually a part 2 of my series of online classes video. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will be linking it down below, and I do hope that you learn something from this video. As you can tell from my intro, this notebook that I have right now is all of the answers that I have written. So I actually have 10 plus 1 tips on how I survive online classes, and I do hope that you survive yours too. When it comes to the tips, I actually divided them into 3 separate groups, and those groups are before the online class, during the online class, and after the online class. So yon. So let's start off with the before the online class. So tip number 1 is plan everything. Okay, this is very obvious naman na every student has to plan everything out. This planner right here is a undated planner, and I have been using this since last year. Kasi nga undated planner siya, so kahit anong dates, maganda siya. Which I will be talking more in depth in the next video. So if you want to learn more about this planner right here, this specific one, click that subscribe button down below and that notification bell down below. So having this planner right here is actually quite useful regardless of what your preference is. If you want to plan the whole week or you just want to plan daily, it's actually quite useful. So yon. Next up on the list that I'm gonna give to you is know what to prioritize. Priority ko at the moment is academics, yung studies ko. Syempre, kailangan dapat mataas siya. And then second naman is YouTube. So syempre, kailangan dapat alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong unahin. And ako naman, since I'm a YouTuber, kahit kaya ko mag-release ng 2 videos per week, hindi ko pinupush yung sarili ko kasi I have set academics as my first priority. Kaya hindi ko ginagawa yon. Next advice that I'm going to give is shower first. Okay. Based on experience, not showering before class is actually a nightmare. Let me tell you why. Kasi imagine kung like bigla kang itawag sa kailangan mong magbukas ng camera and then like hindi ka pa naliligo. Nakakahiya. And I've been there before. Trust me, it was not a good experience. Another reason why you need to shower, kasi syempre para magising yung sarili mo, you have to awaken the senses. Kailangan mong magising yung sarili mo para mas maging focus ka in the next few hours during online class. Diba? Next advice that I'm going to give you is set an alarm 10 to 15 minutes before the class. Based on experience, these are all just based on experience basically. So yun, based on experience, so it was kind of hard for me at first, pero yun nga, just setting up an alarm 10 to 15 minutes before your classes is really helpful para siguradong wala kang mamimiss na part sa iyong online class. And then last tip in the before the online class starts is have a cleaner work environment. Having a cleaner environment, having a more organized environment gives you a more cleaner state of mind to help you focus more on what you need to focus on. Oh my God, I'm a vlogger! Okay, so that's about it for the before the online classes. Now, we're gonna talk about the during the online class. Okay, during the online class naman, wala akong masyadong. Ang advice ko naman when during online classes is always make sure that your camera or your webcam and your microphone is off. Kasi nga, syempre, maririnig ng buong klase yan. Wala naman to sa experiences ko kasi hindi ko naman to na-experience kasi most of the time my camera is off or my audio is off kasi sinisigurado ko walang maririnig ang prof sa akin. Just to make sure na hindi tayo mapaya. And at the same time, it also helps with the classroom environment kasi syempre when it comes to classes, kailangan dapat lahat tayo ay tahimik. Kaya yun, that's about it for my tips on during the online class kasi as I have said, wala naman ako masyado naging problems when it comes to during the online classes. So, yun. Okay, so when it comes to after the online classes, the advice that I'm going to give you is always ask for the PowerPoint. Ako kasi when it comes to learning online classes, it's very hard for me to focus talaga. So what I do is I ask for the professor's PowerPoints para in the later day, once I have the energy, pwede ko siyang balik-balikan. And also it's also useful when it comes to notes and reviewers kasi you won't really need to write anymore kasi nga, yun nga, may PowerPoints ka na. I don't know if this applies to everyone, pero for me kasi, I always prioritize my individual work over my group work. Based on my experience, tinatapos ko na lahat ng aking individual work para in the later weeks, makakatulong na ako sa group works namin. Kasi ayoko naman na palipat-lipat ako, like group work, individual work, group work, individual work. The important thing here is that you should know what to prioritize. As I've said nga in the before online classes, you should know what to prioritize. So next on my list naman ay don't be afraid to ask from your classmates. We're all just trying to survive. May mga times lang rin kasi talaga na may mga nakakalimutan kang dates. You can always count on your friends and wag kang mahihiya na magtanong kasi we're all in this together. Pare-pares lang tayo nahihirapan. So might as well just help each other, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? This is called the Pomodoro Technique. You can search it on Google after this video. Basically, in the Pomodoro Technique, you would divide your time in 25 minutes work time, and then 5 minutes break, and then 25 minutes work time, then 5 minutes break. After 1 hour of just looking at my laptop or my cell phone, maluluha ako. Which is really bad, especially online class na ngayon. Para ma-take care mo pa yung health ng eyes mo, kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Take those 5 minutes and take a power nap. Last tip of all is don't forget to take care of yourself. Especially right now, we are having a hard time during the pandemic. Nag-aaral pa tayo. You know, it's very hard to cope. I understand. During these online classes, don't forget to take care of yourself kasi it's very important na you keep your mental health check, you keep your physical health check, and your spiritual health check. So that is about it for this video. I do hope that you've learned something from this video kasi I've tried my best to make it as educational as possible. So, yon. If you want to watch the previous video, go watch it. If you want to watch the next video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below so you get updated when I upload it. So, yon. So, that is about it for this video. Leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel. This is the end of the video. Bye-bye!